bird tail. It's there, look. He was hanging out a minute ago, little babby. Loving it, he was. Well, he's probably scared now they've started that up. Because they're cutting the trees down. He's got his eyes looking at me, thinking, who are you? Can you see him? There he is. Just there. If you be friendly with them, they get friendly with you. Thank you, mate. Okay, he's not scared at all. You get them used to you when they're young. They got no fear in them. Your mum will be calling you in a minute. Hey, this is your first time out, is it? Hey? Right close to him, look. Not even bothered. Are you, mate? I call you Lionheart. Hey? You've come out into the big brave world, you have. Hey? Not frightened of me at all, are you? Hey? Come and say hello to me. He's not scared at all, him. Yeah, he's definitely called Lionheart, isn't you? Let me leave you alone, in case your mum comes for you. Yeah, he's come out of there, he has. There's still a few more in there. They've been out, but they're not as brave as in. Every time he sees me now, he'll be okay. Unless he's flown too much and he's too tired. There he is, singing away for his mum. Let's back up and see what mum does. He's going to fly now, look. There he goes. There he goes. He's gone. Let's see if he's landed on top of the fence. Yeah, mum's there as well. Yep, there's mum. On top of the fence. Just gone down.